We are now going to prepare chicken kebab. Usually, kebabs are prepared in a special tandoor vessel or in an oven. Tandoor vessel or an oven may not be available in every household, so we are going to fry the kebab in oil. Shall we start preparing it? You require bashed chicken for making this dish, what you call as keema chicken. Wrap the chicken with a cloth and squeeze out the water. If you want to make kebabs, then ensure that there is no water in it. That's enough. You need to squeeze harder. There shouldn't be even a drop of water. Only then the kebabs will turn out well. This is how it should be. There should be no water at all. Cut chicken fat into small pieces and add them to this. Only then will the kebabs be tight and also juicy. Add garlic, chilli powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, and fried onions. This is cheese. Put small pieces of it. Add green chilies too. Add coriander leaves. And then mix them nicely. Add required salt and once again mix well. Grind this in a mixie to a paste by putting in small quantities. Not just once, but grind it twice. After the first grinding, break an egg into this. Mix it well. Again, grind it in the mixie by putting again in small quantities. Now it has been ground twice. Mostly in hotels using this type of metal rods. We are going to use bamboo stick instead. First, coat oil properly over it. Then take the kebab mix and roll it around the bamboo stick to form a shape like this. Do it with patience. Only then you get a proper shape. It should take the shape of a kebab, or else it might look like a vada, Now, slide this slowly into the oil. It might break if you put it hurriedly. Follow the same step for all the pieces so that they come out well. It takes about 8 minutes for kebabs to get fried in medium flame. Now, they are fried well enough. They can be taken out now. Remember, always take out in high flame. Only then oil won't get stuck to the kebabs. Transfer the kebabs onto a plate, spread with a tissue paper so that leftover oil gets absorbed. Did you notice? They have come out as if they have been made in a tandoor vessel. It's hard to find any difference between the two. This kebab will give out an aroma that would reach your neighborhood. Did you hear the bell ring now?